Hello everyone, welcome from Pi International Education and welcome to another one of our IELTS tips and tricks videos. Today's video is going to be a bit different from all of our other videos because in this one we will not be giving you any ideas that you can implement in your exam in order to improve your score, but rather we will be focusing on the things that the examiners do whenever they are assessing your IELTS speaking module test. So when you're giving your speaking test, the examiner has one question in his mind and he's trying to decide between a 6 and a 7 because the boundary or the difference in quality between a 6 and a 7 is a lot. So when you're giving your speaking test, if the examiner can understand that you are not able to speak comfortably and you have to put in a lot of effort in order to continue speaking, or you are struggling, be it content-related hesitation or grammar-related hesitation, if you do hesitate and you cannot speak as if English comes to you as a second nature, then no matter how good your exam is, you will probably not score above 6. So whenever you have difficulties speaking and communicating and conveying your ideas and translating them into English, you will probably be below 6. And then the examiner decides, well, now that I have an idea of where the student should be, I can decide on the details. So is it going to be a 5, 5.5, 6 or a 6.5? But that student will ideally not get a 7 or above. On the other hand, if you're a student who is probably giving a not so good of an exam, but English comes to you naturally, you can speak with relative ease, you don't have to put in a lot of effort in order to convey your messages, and you have majority of your sentences correct. So the construction of your sentences, the connection of ideas, and organization of your different components of your answers are properly structured, and you don't have to stop or pause every couple of seconds in order to accumulate ideas together, then you will probably get at least a band score of 7, even if you give a very bad exam. I'm not saying that because I want to encourage you to give bad exams, but in general, the main purpose of the IELTS exam is not to see if your ideas coincide with the examiner's ideas, but rather to see whether you can use the English communication with proper clarity and convey your ideas and translate them using the English communication tools. So as long as you are comfortable talking in English and you can continue your answer with relative ease, you will probably get a band score of 7 or above. So that's really the first question that the examiner decides on whenever he is assessing your English speaking test. So whenever you're practicing your IELTS speaking module, remember, try to be as fluent as you can and speak with relative ease and try to be as natural as you can when you're speaking. Because if you can continue your answer and be willing to speak without a lot of hesitations, then chances are you will definitely score a band score of 7 or above. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Now, if you want detailed explanations of the different criteria based on which the examiners assess your speaking module, you can always visit our website at mypibd.com, where you will find a variety of different instructions related to IELTS, SATs, GRE, and other courses. So thank you very much for watching again, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.